The Foundation's mission is to help support our 21st century student learners and provide them with opportunities to strive and succeed in both school and life. When our community partners with the Foundation, a gift is translated into a classroom grant. It's also impacting new curriculum as well as enrichment opportunities that we bring to the schools each and every year.
Students are able to be enriched by these experiences because they get these unique performance groups that visit us through the Foundation and learn about instruments such as the steel drums or orchestra, Iowa instruments, or opera singers, and they realize that this is something that they can include in their lives from here on out.
Music Connects is a program that was started about 4 years ago. Our former band director at the high school, Steve Stickney, and his colleagues had been talking about how could we better suit our students who are in the free or reduced lunch program and cannot afford to rent an instrument. They don't have one at their homes to practice on. 4 years ago, we had about 9 or 10 students for the orchestra apply for Music Connects, and were then able to receive instruments. And similar for band, they started with about 15 to 20 their first year, and since then the numbers have almost doubled and tripled. Right now I have a 5th grader in particular who he has so much pride. How excited every week on Wednesday mornings that little boy is there, and he is gung-ho to show me what he's learned in the past week, and has even just recently requested to play in the staff lounge and wants to perform the tunes that he's learned. So it just makes such a difference to provide instruments to kids who would never have had the opportunity.
I'm a technology integration coach, and with that I work with teachers and students to incorporate new technology into our buildings. The fact that I would be saying to you that 6th and 7th graders can code and make applications and drive robots and program them to do things, it would have been tough for me to even say a few years ago. And without the Foundation, there had been no way that this could have happened at this level to affect this many of our kids. The stuff that we're doing and the Foundation is helping provide are the applications that our students are going to need moving forward, not only in their future schooling, but also in their future careers.
Iowa Big is a learner-centered education program that deals with Linn-Mar, Cedar Rapids, and Prairie students together, where the students' passions is what drives their learning. When students are in our co-working space here at the Current Brothers Bank, they meet in teams. So whatever project they happen to be on, they meet with their teammates. Sometimes that involves a community mentor or a project mentor. Sometimes they meet in the community. They may go to the actual partner's location. Sometimes they're here just working on projects.
Without the money from the Foundation, we are a room full of whiteboards and paper and pencils for the most part. I mean, they take it into, we talk about 21st century learning. The Foundation provided us with all this technology that we couldn't have provided the students, and it's so important on nearly every project that students have that opportunity.
The Linn-Mar Foundation's effect isn't just limited to the students that we have here at Big. All of the projects the students work on here at Big are community driven also. So not only are they solving problems for themselves and gaining the learning experiences through Big, but they're also impacting the community.